Hello， 你好，我是 Katrina, the founder and the teacher of SMART Mandarin. In this episode, I'm going to share with you guys my plans for SMART Mandarin for the next half of this year, 2019. If you're my old students or you have known me for a while, you know that about 7 months ago, I started to upload video lessons more regularly, about once or twice a week to this channel. And I really gained a lot of subscribers to this channel, and it's much more than I expected about 7 months ago. During the past 7 months, I have my one ebook finished, and I have 2 platforms available. One is called Patreon and one is called Teachable, where I serve my video lessons, podcasts, and ebooks. And I feel like I'm very lucky because I really gain a lot of students here on the channel or other platforms, and it really did encourage me of doing or continuing what I am doing right now. So first of all, I would like to say thank you all very much. 谢谢你们. And as I promised in the beginning of this year that I will launch my courses on Teachable, which is the pronunciation course. I have launched already. An absolute beginner's course on Teachable, I have also launched already. I have delivered and completed those promises already. And also on Patreon, I also promised that I will upload one video, at least one new video lessons per week. And now I have more than 200 video lessons on Patreon and some podcasts on my Patreon and my ebook on my Patreon. So I feel so proud and so happy that I deliver most of my promises for my students here on YouTube and on my Patreon and on my Teachable. And then for the next half of this year, 2019, I want to do something more. First of all, I will complete my promise to my Patreon students. This year, I will try to finish the Simplified Character Writing series. I have made some videos to teach students how to write simplified Chinese characters on my Patreon. And I also made some video lessons for that, but I have not finished. So for the second half of this year, I will try to finish this series. So this is the first promise. And the second promise I want to do is on the YouTube channel, because I get more and more students on YouTube channel. And for my YouTube channel subscribers, I do want to do something for you guys on this channel. So for this year, I'm gonna promise to deliver also one new video lesson each week until end of this year. I cannot promise one thing forever, but what I can do is that I will promise to deliver one video lesson a week to make sure that you have something new to learn from me. So this is my promise to my YouTube channel and my Patreon channel. And on my Teachable, I do have some students on my Teachable. I'm planning on doing the next course. It is an advanced beginner's course. As you might know that I have finished my pronunciation course and my absolute beginner's course. For those students who learn from my courses on Teachable, I would love to do the next following course to make sure that you continue to learn Mandarin and to improve your Mandarin. So I will finish my advanced beginner's course this year. And the special thing for this course is I want to do a pre-sale for this course, because usually when I make a complete course according to my experience with pronunciation course and the absolute beginners course, when I'm making this course, I'm not quite sure that the things I make or I create, the lesson that I created is exactly what you need. Of course, as an experienced teacher, I know what exactly that I have to teach for each level. but still I would like to hear from my students. So I made a pre-sale plan for this advanced beginners course, so my students can really join the creation of this course and give me some real suggestions of how I should do for creating this course. So this is for my advanced beginners course on Teachable. And also I want to try two things. First is I want to make podcasts, more podcasts for my Patreon students and for my Teachable students. According to my experience of learning a foreign language, I realized that podcast is not only convenient and also is so effective to improve students' listening and speaking. I'll do another video lessons to teach you guys that how to use podcasts to improve your Mandarin speaking and listening. But I have to tell you that for me, like in my experience of learning my foreign language, English or German right now, I find that podcast is so effective for my German study. So I want to use this experience to my teaching. So I will create some really effective podcasts to my Patreon student, which I'm doing right now. So this is also my promise to my Patreon student and my Teachable student that I will do this for you. And don't hesitate to give me your suggestions and response after you use my podcast. I would love to hear that and improve it. And the next thing I want to do and I want to try for my YouTube channel and for all of my students on every platform is that I want to try to film my video lessons with about 80% to 90% in Mandarin, only 10% in English. I want to try if that will help my students to improve their listening skill and their speaking skill. And I will script how I say in my video lessons to make sure that everything that I say in the video lessons is staying at the same level. So it will be a scripted Chinese video lessons for advanced beginners. And of course, this video lesson, this kind of series will go into my advanced beginners course on Teachable. So 2019, I still have a lot of things to do. I want to recap what I have to do for the second half of this year. All right, so what did I say? First of all, I promised to deliver one video a week until end of this year on YouTube channel to make sure that you have new lesson to learn on this channel. Second of all, I want to try my best to finish Simplified Chinese Character course for my Patreon students. Number 3 is what I'm already doing is that I will release 2 new video lessons per week on my Patreon. Number 4, I will finish advanced beginners course for my Teachable. So the students on my Teachable, they can learn all the way from pronunciation, absolute beginner, to advanced beginners level by the end of this year. And number 5, I will do podcasts for my Patreon, more and more podcasts focusing on improving students' listening and speaking podcasts for my Patreon. And number 6, I want to try to do 80% to 90% all in Mandarin video lessons for my advanced beginner students. So these are the things that I had to do in 2019. So I want to know what you think of these promises or these projects that I am going to do or I'm doing right now. You can also give me some suggestions of yours of what I can do to make this channel better, to make my courses better. I would love to hear. So in the end, I just want to say thank you very much for all your support and I can really feel that the students on Patreon or on Teachable or on my YouTube channel are more and more engaging to my platforms, and I'm really glad to see that. And so I will keep doing what I love to do and deliver much more better lessons for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I will see you in the next lesson. 谢谢你们，下次见，再见。
Hi Katrina, this is Shahti from India, and firstly I would like to thank you for teaching me Mandarin, because before learning Mandarin I can't be connected with people from China, but now I can be connected with them because I'm running a small business from India to China. Thank you.